Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tutorial for this really pretty 4th of July eye look. You have the red, the white, I'll explain that in the video, and the blue on the lower lash line. So if you guys want to see how I did it, keep on watching. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. So let's jump right on in and get started. It is that time again, that time of the year again. It is the 4th of July, and it's time for 4th of July makeup. So, that's what we're gonna do. I've already done my face and all that good jazz, and we're gonna do a cute little red, white, and blue. I'm gonna tell you now, I can't find my white eyeshadow, and I forgot to pick more up. So, I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna use silver. So, kind of give you a little bit of pop in there. But we're going to do red, white, and blue. You know, gotta love red, white, and blue. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm good. I'll be okay. As always, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. You guys know it's like one of my favorites. I'm obsessed with it. And you guys, if you want some good, like actually like legit good, cheap brushes, get the Wet n Wild ones. Like, I love these things. I think this is like the crease brush. But I use it as like a blending brush. It works really, really good. So I'm going to pack on quite a bit of the red and just tap it off just once. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I really hope you guys can see it because it's like really gloomy out. And it seems like it's always gloomy when I need lighting. Have you guys noticed? I have. I don't like it. So I started on the outer corner, and I'm just working my way in, and then I'm going to slowly start blending upwards. And if you guys want a video on how to blend your eyeshadow, I will leave it linked right up there so you can go and check it out. And I'm just going to pack on some more. And you guys, you can have this as deep or as subtle as you want. I figure it is red, white, and blue. It is 4th of July. It is Independence Day. So, why not make it a big boom, a big bang, you know. So, just blend it out as well as you can. Just do back and forth motions like the windshield wipers and the small circulars. The circulars back and forth. Yeah, that looks pretty good, I think. Let's do the other eye. Just like that. I think with this one I started in the middle. It's okay though. Do it the same way, or you put it on however you want. But this is how I'm doing it today. Okay, so now that that is on, I'm going to do this a little bit differently. I'm going to put on some black eyeliner in my waterline real quick. See if I can get it in there. Because you guys know I like a deep eye. Whoop. Pop that in. And then we're going to do some blue on the lower lash line. That's right. Some blue. Okay. I think I'm going to use this like hot blue. This bright blue right there. Just going to pick some of that up. Dust it off just a little bit. And then smudge out my bottom lash line. And you guys, you can use any blue that you want. I mean, you don't have to use this palette, but it is really great. I love this one. Woo-wee. Get it. Get in there. Okay, so now that is done. Oh, and I can't see. So, oh man, I hate this lighting. So you have your red and you have your blue. You can see it. You can see it, I promise. Now, like I told you, I do not have any white. So I'm going to use silver. And what I have here is the Shimmer Down Pigments. It is the loose pigments, the NYX loose pigments in the shade Platinum. I did a review on these. If you want to check that out, I will leave that linked up there. I'm just going to pop some of this out so it'll come out. Sometimes you got to manhandle it. 4 hours later. there's some out. This does kind of take a minute to get out, but this is what you get. It doesn't even look silver, but I promise you it is. We're going to put this on the inner corner. And I feel like with the shimmer, it's going to make it pop a little bit more than it normally would. So I'm going to put it right there. Woo boy. Holy mackerel. Okay, now I'm going to tell you something. I'm just going to use this brush real quick. You can use glitter primer, or they have pigment primer or pigment glue, whatever you want to call it. You can use that to make this stuff last a little bit longer. But I'm just going to use it as is like this. And I'm just going to pop it right there in the corner and kind of fan it up just a little bit. Just like that. And just down into the blue, just a little. Not a whole lot. Kind of like that. And we're going to do the other side. Right there in the middle. Not in the middle. The inner corner. And then up a little bit. And down a little bit. But I want to really focus on that inner corner. Just like that. And then blow off the rest. Blow fairy dust everywhere. Like that. Okay, then let's pop on. Actually, I'm going to do this off camera. I'm going to pop on some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my eyeliner and mascara on, this look is completely done. So you have your red, your white, and your blue at the bottom. And I figure I already have lip stuff on, but if you wanted to take this look up another notch, you could pop on some red lipstick. Some red liquid lipstick would be fantastic. That way you know it's not going to go anywhere all daggone day. So, but that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please, please, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of my YouTube family. And you guys, if you try out this look, please leave me a... No, don't leave me anything. Tag me in a picture on Instagram so I can see what beautiful look you ended up with. So I will see you guys next video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.